What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about an AI video copy and paste system and how to earn money online with AI and ChatGPT. Now, if you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you everything you need to get started today. And I'm also going to be giving you away a bunch of stuff. As you see on this screen right here, I'm going to be giving away my free checklist called the Digital Playbook. Gives you a step-by-step guide of how to use the system that I'm using right now. Also, it gives you a bunch of done-for-you video prompts that you can use with ChatGPT to create your own AI videos. We have a list of over 130 plus AI tools that you can get paid to promote. And also, you have probably about 100 and actually more like 200 already done for you short form content videos that you can copy and paste them into your own systems so you can start getting views, start driving traffic. Now, before we dive into the video, I want to show you the Digital Playbook group. This is going to be your access point of how to get the checklist. So once you join, now let me just say this is completely free. I'm not charging anything. I just like to use this backend software. Once you join, you'll get access to the Digital Playbook, where here is the Google spreadsheet right here. Also, you'll get access to our Discord, which we do a lot of the communicating in. You'll be able to have one-on-one calls with me, a chat, and then the two things right here, a daily giveaway. Every day you have a chance to win different prizes by just spinning the wheel. And then right here is where I'm able to post updates. Right now that we're doing a $1,000 giveaway, and then Spotter Studio is also doing a $25,000 giveaway. So to enter in these, you just got to sign up to Spotter, but to enter into the Digital Playbook, just read this. People to join, post that they're taking action, and you get entered to win either $100 or $500. So let's go ahead and dive into the video and show you how you can start making money. So once you get the Digital Playbook, we need to go to, for purposes of this video, I'm just going to go to get started here. First thing you're going to need to get is step one, which is go high level. This is a software that I use for all my automations, funnels, and email sequences. So sign up, get the 14-day free trial, and then it will take you to a page that looks like this. This is going to be your sub account. And what a sub account is, it's basically just like an account that you can host everything, collect leads, build all your automations and funnels. So when we're here, we are gonna go to sites, and the first thing we wanna do is set up the front end, which is gonna be our sites. So before you can set up everything though, if you wanna use what I'm using, we need to go back to the Digital Playbook, and let's go to step 4 right here and go ahead and import your snapshot. What a snapshot is, it's basically gonna take a copy of my system and put that into your system. So you'll have all my emails, all my funnels, all my automations, and that just makes everything a lot more easy and smooth when you're just starting out. So you're gonna hit import, and then that is what's gonna automatically import it into your system, and then you will be able to see all these different funnels right here. So for this case, the one that I have set up is, for the demo purposes, is just this DPB snapshot funnel, and we're going to take a look at it right here. So you would want some type of heading, could be whatever it is, and then right here is some type of long form video that you're going to want to create. Since a lot of the traffic is going to be coming from your short form content, you're going to need a longer form video to give a little bit more value and build trust with the people that you are bringing in. And then if they decide to, they will enter in their first name, email, and then that will put them into your email sequence, which we're going to talk about next. So we'll go to automations, and I have a bunch of different email automations that you'll be able to see, but one of the ones I like to talk about is this new email opt-in, because it has about 60 done for you emails. And also what I've done here is I've imported a custom value everywhere your affiliate link needs to be. I do this because if you were just to import this without that, all my affiliate links would be in there and not yours. So to make it really simple, all we have to do is just go into settings and change that out. As you can see right here, everything where it's clickable, it has a custom value right here. And that is where in the settings part of it, we are going to build or create your own custom value. But first, before we do that, we need to have an affiliate to promote. Oh, that is just a picture of me, which I'll talk about here in a second. But to get that, we need to go back to the AI tools or the digital playbook. This is a list of AI tools. So for the most part, if you just click any one of these and go to the bottom of it, bottom of the page, in their footer, they normally have an area that says become an affiliate. So you want to become an affiliate and you'll get a link that looks like this. Now I used Go High Level as an example because that's one of the tools that I promote, but you can use any one of the tools on the digital playbook. For the most part, 95% of these tools have affiliate programs that I've either checked out or I've used myself. So it doesn't have to be Go High Level. So once you have that link, we're going to go back. We're going to go to settings and we are going to go down to custom values. And then you're just going to hit create new custom value, type in the name of whatever it is. I just typed in something random, post your affiliate link. You would copy your affiliate link there and then you would go to, it would be created. I'm not going to do that because I already have mine created right here. Boom, affiliate link, voila. So we have the back end, we have the front end. Now the content part is what comes up next. So first thing you're going to want to do is just download some of these onto your computer. They're all on Google Drives. Boom, open it up, download it to your computer. So once you have 5-10 of these things downloaded, we're going to go over to marketing. All right, and this is your social planner. This is the calendar portion where you're able to schedule out your content for the month and even longer than that. So we already downloaded our videos. What we want to do is go into here and select your social media accounts. So you'll be able to add a new account, and then once you do, you just select the ones you want to. I suggest Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Go ahead and type whatever you want. I use ChatGPT a lot of the times to figure out what type of headings or descriptions I want to put. We'll click this little video button right here. It'll take us to our media folder. We're going to hit upload file, pick a video or whatever you want to upload. And because you won't have anything right here, you upload that video, then just click on the video. And then I went a little too far back. Click on the video and it will upload into the planner. Like I said, this could be whatever you want. And then we're going to choose reel. Sometimes if it's in this format on Facebook, you might have to post it as a feed. But for the most part, if you're posting to Instagram, it'll work. So then you would just go over here, schedule out. Then you would pick the day you want to schedule it out for. So in one of my previous videos, I show you how to create your own AI like this and create videos of yourself and create an AI army. But I just wanted to show you the copy and paste system for this video. So just to wrap up, go to digitalplaybook.com, join the free group. This is where you'll be able to have direct access to me. You get all the done for you social media content, pre-written emails, and like a massive checklist of AI tools and the tutorials as well. So that is it for this one, AI Pros. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.